Hey everyone, welcome back again. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can automatically add leads from LeadSquared application into Exotel. So guys, LeadSquared is a marketing automation and lead management tool, and Exotel is a cloud communication API for calling and sending SMS. So guys, we are connecting both of these two applications such that as and when you collect any lead or onboard any lead in LeadSquared application, the same lead will be added as a contact in Exotel, and your team can swiftly work on that contact. They can call that contact or send an SMS. So guys, here you can see on my screen now, this will be the flow of this automation. Here, as and when a new lead is created, the same lead will be added as a new contact in Exotel. So you do not have to manually sort out the data of your leads in your LeadSquared, and you do not have to manually add the contacts here in Exotel. So it will save your time and energy, and it will improve your lead management as well. So guys, here we are using Pabbly Connect application to make this automation here between LeadSquared and Exotel. And guys, the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So to set up this automation, guys, first of all you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here you can use this link pabbly.com/connect. So we have pasted the same in the description as well. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you need to create a workflow of automation. For that, just click on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here as LeadSquared to Exotel automation. Okay, so after filling the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will see the trigger and the action. So with the help of these things, I am going to set up this automation. So here, guys, trigger is that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. So as in our use case, the trigger would be any new lead coming into LeadSquared application, and the action towards that trigger would be to send that lead as a contact in Exotel, right? So first of all, you need to set up the trigger. So from here, choose the trigger application as LeadSquared. All right, here you can see we have LeadSquared option selected. And in the trigger event, guys, select new lead option. And it will give you this URL. This is called as a Webhook URL, guys. And with the help of this, we are going to make a connection with our LeadSquared account. And after that, we are going to capture the response of that Webhook connection. So you need to follow these steps written here, and after that you can make the connection. You can see you need to reach the API and Webhook section under the settings of LeadSquared. Let me show you guys. This is my admin panel of LeadSquared application, and from this top right corner you will find this settings option right here. Click on settings, and under the settings, guys, you will find this API and Webhooks tab. Click on it, and from here you will find this Webhooks option. Click on Webhooks, and guys, here you can create a new Webhook connection by clicking on this create button. Click on it. Okay, and here it is asking for the event. That means the event on which you want to send the data from LeadSquared to our workflow. So we want to send the data of a lead whenever we create a lead here. So from this event section, you have to select this lead creation event. Select lead creation. And now here it is asking for the Webhook URL. So guys, here you have to copy and paste this URL. So just click on copy from here and paste this Webhook URL here in this LeadSquared, here in this field, like this. Okay, and here you can see it is asking for the leading HTTP address. So from here you can select this https:/, and now you have to remove this from here. So in this Webhook URL that you have copied, you can erase that, and you can copy the Webhook URL from this connect.pabbly.com. okay, now guys, here it is asking for the content type. So the content type is application/JSON. And here it is asking for the description, so you can provide a small description as well here. So I'm providing the description as send leads to Exotel. Okay, so you can accordingly type the description. Okay, now click on save here, and you can see a new webhook is added here successfully. Okay, now guys, here you can see in your workflow, as you add the webhook URL, here it will start showing this label and value in this response section. Now guys, what we are going to do, we are going to capture the response of this webhook connection that we have just created. For that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this recapture webhook response button, click on it, click on yes, and it will start showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means we are going to create manually a test lead or a demo lead in LeadSquared. Then the data of that lead will be captured here in this workflow. Let me show you. Here you can see this is my leads section. Click on Smart View. Okay, and under the Smart Views, you will find this plus icon. Okay, and here it is showing add new lead. Click on this plus icon, guys, and from here you can generate a new lead or a test lead. So here I am filling any demo name of any demo person. So guys, here I have filled in all the details of a demo lead. Okay, this is the email address, the number, and all other things related to the lead. The lead source is social media I have selected. The lead stage is opportunity. Okay, so you can use these fields here to add the data, and now I am clicking on save and close. Okay, so you can see a new lead is created here named as demo name. Okay, and let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this new lead captured or not. And guys, here you can see we got the data captured here like this. It is showing the prospect's ID, the first name, last name, email address, company, origin, all the things that I have mentioned in the lead section in LeadSquared is captured here like this. Okay. Now guys, what we want to add this lead as a contact in Exotel application. So guys, to add the contact in Exotel, we need to have a few things. First thing is the phone number, the contact name, and email address. So here you can see in this phone number label, we got this phone number like this in this format, but you can see we have a dash in between the country code and the phone number. So we need to remove this dash, guys, because we cannot use this type of pattern or format to add a contact in Exotel. For that, I'm going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect. So use the section step, and from here search for text formatter. So with the help of text formatter, and here it is asking for the action event. So select split text option here, then click on connect, and here it is asking which text you want to split. So here I'm going to map this phone number label, and then we are going to split the country code and this number from this dash sign. Okay, so click here, and it will show this LeadSquared option in the drop down. So by clicking here only, you can get the data that you have received in the first step and map this phone number label here like this. And in the separator, I'm going to put this dash as a separator because I want to remove this. So just click here dash. Okay, and here it is asking for the segment index. So I want both of these segments, the country code segment and the number segment. So here I'm going to select all. Okay, and then click on save and send test request. And here you can see in this result 0 label we got the plus sign and the country code, and in the result 1 label we got the phone number. Right, now guys, we can create a contact in Exotel. For that, just click here on this plus icon, and from this action step search for Exotel application. Here it is, select it. Okay, and the action event would be create a contact. So it will create a contact in the campaigns address book. Okay, and it can be used only in the campaigns. So in any of your campaigns, a contact will be created. Okay, select it. So click on connect here, and from here select add new connection, and here you can give a name to this connection as well. And here it is asking for the API key, the API token, the account SID, and the subdomain of your Exotel application. So to find these things, guys, you can read the instructions. You need to reach the API settings of Exotel, and there you will find all these things. So guys, here you can see this is my API applications dashboard. let me show you from here. Okay, this is the campaign section, and from here when you scroll down on the left hand side panel, you will find this settings option. Under the settings you will find this API tab. Click on API and this page will open up. So under this API settings page, guys, you can see we have this account ID here. Okay, and here you can see we have this API key and we have this API token. So that's what we needed. So you can just copy these things from here. So the first thing here it is asking is for API key. So let me first copy the API key. Okay, like this, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, now let's search for the token. Here is the API token. You can just open it from here like this, and you can copy this also and paste this token here in this API token field like this. Okay, now it is asking for the account SID. So you will find the account SID here. Here it is. Just copy this and paste it here in this field. Okay, and here it is asking for the subdomain. So guys, if your Exotel account belongs to Singapore, you have to put the subdomain like this, and if it belongs to Mumbai, you can put the subdomain like this. My accounts belong from Singapore, so I am copying this and I'm pasting it here. Okay, now click on save and you will be connected with Exotel like this. Okay, and here it is asking for the first name, the last name, the phone number, and all the things to create a contact in a campaign in Exotel. So guys, we are going to use this test data that we have received here in the first step, and I'm going to map these labels here in this step to create a contact. Okay, so click here on the first name field, and from this first step, map the first name label. Similarly, map the last name label. Then map the phone number, and to map the phone number, I'm going to use this text formatter step, because you can see now here that the number should be in this E164 format, which is this format with a plus sign and a country code and then the number. So that's why we have splitted the number from the dash. So from this text formatter, map this result 0 and this result 1 together. Okay, that's how you can map the number. And here it is asking for the company name. Let's see if we have the company. Yes, we have. Map it. For the email, use the same process. Map the email address. Okay, so tag and custom fields, you can leave these things blank. These are not compulsory things. Now by clicking on this save and send test request button, you can create a test contact here in this campaign section. So you can see I am under this campaign section of Exotel. Okay, and here let me click on save and send test request now, and we are going to see if a test contact is created or not. So here it is showing this kind of response. The status is success. Let's check in Exotel if we got a new contact added. So I'm refreshing this contact section of this campaign, and here you can see a new contact with the first name as demo, last name as name, number is this, email ID is this, company is this. So this is the same contact, guys, that we have as a lead in our LeadSquared, demo name, okay, and all the things. And this is the data that we have mapped here, and according to the data, a contact is added here in the campaign of Exotel. So our connection is working fine, and we are done setting up this automation. So guys, when you map the data like this, what will happen? Now we are done setting up the automation. Now you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. Now you just have to add leads here in LeadSquared, and the contact details of the leads will be added here in the campaign section of Exotel like this automatically. And guys, you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.